Today I'm replacing the rear coil springs on a 2010 Volkswagen Tiguan. This one's a 4-motion. So first step, remove the rear wheels. Alright, now with the wheel off, you want to support the as far out as you possibly can on this lower control arm. You can, if you're doing it on the floor, you can use a floor jack. You just want to get out as far as you can for leverage. And then release this lower bolt. Be careful here, this can slip, it can be dangerous because you're unloading the spring, but it's kind of what you have to do. So, all right, now with that bolt out, you just lower the control arm. I moved in further because it's a little bit more, even though I don't have as much leverage on it, it's a little bit safer because I can hook the screw jack into where the spring is here and lower it without as much danger. So just bringing this down. You can leave the inside bolt tight, bushing in place. This is actually it's a toe adjuster, it's a camber adjustment, so it's nice to not have to fiddle with that because you're going to change your alignment quite a bit. So with that down, you can just grab the spring right out. So there it is. It just broke right at the end. This is normally how it goes. Water kind of pools up at the bottom coil and rusts out. So that's it. And put it back together, you just do the same thing. Use a screw jack or a floor jack, lift it back up, put the bolt in, get it into ride height up to where the car is going to be sitting when it's on the ground, or if you can get underneath it with the car loaded and then tighten this bolt, that's better, so you're not loading this bushing. But that's about it. Thanks.